Hello friends, today I am going to solve part 2 of previous video, which is MSc Physics CU CET 2021 question paper. I will solve only physics part in this video and other parts already solved you can watch on channel. So without any delay, let's start guys. Question 62. The plane electromagnetic wave has the magnetic field B equal to B naught sin x plus y k divided by square root 2 plus omega t k cap, where k is wave number and I cap, j cap, k cap are the unit vectors along x, y and z direction respectively. The average Poynting vector is. To find out the Poynting vector formula S is equal to 1 upon mu naught E cross B. How to find out electric field? From the Maxwell's equations. Del cross B equal to mu naught J plus 1 by C square plus del E by del T. Since there is no free charge, then this part is going to be 0 and your equation converted in del cross B equal to 1 by C square del E by del T. So from here you can calculate del cross B and some term will be there, and after calculation we will get the given answer is option 2. Calculate it from your side. Question 63. The state of polarization of electromagnetic wave with field components Ex is equal to E naught sin kz minus omega t plus pi by 4 plus 90 degree, ky equal to 1 by square root 2 E naught sin kz minus omega t is. So it is not going to be circularly polarized because the magnitude is already different here, and there is phase difference of 90 degree plus pi by 4. So definitely it is not circular. In circular case, phase difference is equal to pi by 2, and for linear polarized light it is pi. Okay, here it is pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Then already option 1, 2 and 3 is cancelled out, only option 4 is correct. And how to find it is left or right circularly polarized? For that, see this is propagating in plus z direction. When kz and omega t both has opposite sign, in that case it is in the plus direction, so it is traveling in plus z direction. Now find out the magnitude Ex and Ey. Put the values. First take the z is equal to 0. Wave is moving in that direction and it is not going to change anything. To find out the effect of time, put the time value such that omega t is equal to 0. In first case t is equal to 0 or omega t is equal to 0. In that scenario we will get that Ex and Ey component equal to this 1 by square root 2 E naught x cap and 0. This point. This is representation of x, y and z axis. Again put omega t is equal to pi by 4. In that condition we are getting this value. You just put these values and see that your x and y component where lies. First point here, then here. With time, increasing time, it is going in this direction. Okay, if it is going in this direction, then it is following the left hand. Okay, if it will go in this direction, in that condition it will follow your right hand. Okay, so it is following this left hand, that's why it is left elliptically polarized light. In the case of circular polarized light, you can find similar manner. It is circular in left or right handed. Option 4, left elliptical polarized light, it is correct. Question 64. A monochromatic electromagnetic wave in vacuum is incident normally on a substance of refractive index 1.5. The ratio of magnitude of electric vector which is reflected to that of the incident wave. So this is the formula. This is reflected amplitude and this is incident amplitude. So reflected amplitude is equal to n1 minus n2 divided by n1 plus n2 of incident amplitude. This is for transmittance, 2n1 divided by n1 plus n2, and similarly for their intensity ratios, it is just square of that in the case of reflected and in the transmitted case. It is asking for the magnitude ratio in the reflected and incident. So it is equal to n1 minus n2 divided by n1 plus n2, 1.5 minus 1 divided by 1.5 plus 1, and answer is equal to 1 by 5. Option 4 correct. Question 65. For a given dielectric, the electronic polarization alpha E is not affected by the temperature change. Okay, there is no temperature change in this particular formula. Question 66. All natural processes are irreversible. This is direct consequence of the second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics states that the total entropy of an isolated system can never decrease. 67. In a cyclic process, work done by the system is equal to the quantity of heat given to the system. If process is cyclic, then change in internal energy going to be 0. So work done by the system, W equal to quantity of heat given to the system, Q. Option 2 is correct here. Question 68. A Carnot engine operating between 27 degrees Celsius and 127 degrees Celsius has efficiency equal to, efficiency formula eta equal to 1 minus जो लोअर टेम्परेचर रहेगा और सिंक टेम्परेचर डिवाइड बाई T हाई टेम्परेचर और सोर्स टेम्परेचर. Write the temperature in Kelvin term. To find out Kelvin, just add 273 in this degree Celsius term. It is going to be 300 Kelvin divided by 400 Kelvin, and efficiency is going to be 25%. Option 4 correct. Question 69. The area of Carnot cycle on TS diagram represents. It is representing work done in a cycle. It is your TS diagram and it is representing particular work done in a cycle. Question 60. Under equilibrium condition, the thermodynamic variable associated with black body radiation at temperature T which reduces to 0 is. It gives free energy. Correct option. Question 71. Which statistics will be applied to deuterons and alpha particles? So deuterons case 1H2 and alpha particles 2He4 both have even number of nucleons. When number of nucleons is even, in that condition the spin is integral multiple, and whenever spin is integral multiple of integer, in that condition it follows the Bose-Einstein, or they can be treated as bosons. Bose-Einstein is applicable for deuteron and alpha particles, and in the case of lithium 3Li7 it is Fermi-Dirac because number of nucleons is odd here. Okay, 3 proton and 4 neutrons, and this is going to be give a effective half spin, and it is following Fermi-Dirac. Question 72. The total number of accessible states of n non-interacting particles of spin half is. Whenever spin half, then it is Fermi-Dirac. It will follow the Fermi-Dirac statistics and also follows the Pauli exclusion principle. Since particles exhibit odd integral spins are fermions, and hence they obey Pauli's exclusion principle. According to Pauli's exclusion principle, not more than one particle can exist in one quantum state. Hence the number of accessible states equal to n. Option 4 correct. Question 73. Einstein's formula for heat capacity, it fails to at lower temperature because it decreases exponentially instead of T cube. Decrease exponentially with decreasing T, while the Debye model always shows the correct T cube dependence at the low temperature. Question 74. The ratio of two specific heats of a diatomic gas is. Ratio of specific heat gamma equal to Cp by Cv equal to 1 plus 2 by F, where F is degree of freedom. Gamma is also known as adiabatic index. In two-dimensional case, F equal to 5 degree of freedom, 3 translational and 2 rotational, and after calculation 1 plus 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 40. This is correct. Option 3. Another useful formula of internal energy of ideal gas, that is F by 2 RT, where F is equal to degree of freedom. From here you can also calculate Cv. Cv equal to du by dt. After derivating this term you can get Cv, and the difference of Cp minus Cv equal to R. Question 75. An oil bath kept at 27 degrees Celsius is being supplied heat at rate of 100 joule per second. Assuming the process to be quasi-static, the rate of increase of entropy of the system is approximately. The rate of increase of entropy equal to del Q by T. Put this temperature in Kelvin. So 27 plus 273, that means 300 Kelvin. And one can also assume or speculate the answer by taking the unit. Just see the unit, already it is joule per second, and there in all the cases it is Kelvin inverse is additional unit. Okay, so just it indicate that you have to divide this term by some Kelvin temperature. Delta Q by T equal to going to give 0.33 joule Kelvin inverse second inverse. Option 3 is correct. Question 76. 10 milligrams of radioactive substance of life period 2 years is kept for 4 years. How much of the substance remained unchanged? कितना जो substance amount है which is not decade. Unchanged amount it is asking. For remaining amount or unchanged amount, n equal to n naught 1 divided by 2 raised to power n. This n equal to number of half lives and n0 equal to initial amount. So initial amount is equal to 10 milligram and life period is 2 years. So in 4 years it will complete 2 lifetimes. Then n is equal to 2. 4 divided by 2, then n is equal to 2, and solve it, it is going to give 2.5 milligram. This is the remaining amount or unchanged amount. Question 77. Which of the following disintegration series of heavy element will give bismuth 209 as a stable nucleus? This is the 4 important series: thorium, neptunium, uranium series and actinium series. It is also termed as 4n series, 4n plus 1 series, 4n plus 2 series and 4n plus 3 series. So Neptunian series, this is giving the last stable element as the bismuth. It is asking for this last element. So 4n plus 1 or Neptunium series is the correct option, option 2. Question 78. The ratio of the sizes of 82208 lead and 1226 Mg nuclei is approximately. It is although written as sizes, but it want to ask about the radius. So radius equal to r naught a raised to power 1 by 3. So just take the ratio of their radius r1 divided by r2. That equal to 208 divided by 26 whole raised to power 1 by 3, and it will result in 2. Option 1 is correct. Question 79. What is the second nearest neighbor distance in BCC crystal whose conventional unit cell parameter is A? All important quantities or characteristics of simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic is listed here. You can learn it or note down. And for the second nearest neighbors in BCC, so this is BCC, second neighbor's distance equal to A. Option 1 is correct. Question 80. In a simple cubic lattice D100, D110, D11H, use the formula D equal to A divided by square root h square plus k square plus l square, and take the ratios D100, D110, D111. Finally answer is square root 6 ratio square root 3 ratio square root 2. Option 3. Question 81. If the angle between the direction of incident X-ray and diffracted one is 60 degree, the angle of incident glancing will be, diffracted angle or reflected angle is going to be same. So this I plus R equal to 16 degree or I equal to 16 divided by 2, 8 degree. This is 8 degree. Then it is asking for this glancing angle. The glancing angle is going to be 90 degree minus 8 degree equal to 82 degree. Option 4 correct. Question 82. If K is wave vector of incident X-ray and G be the reciprocal lattice vector, then condition for Bragg reflection is given by, it is given by 2K dot G equal to G square. Option 3 is correct. Question 83. The temperature dependence of the electric resistivity of a metal according to classical free electron theory, it is proportional to T raised to power 1 by 2. Rho proportional to square root T. Option 3 is correct. Question 84. The Fermi level of an intrinsic semiconductor is pinned at the center of the band gap. The probability of occupation of the highest electron state in valence band at room temperature will be, it is going to be half. Option 3 is correct. Question 85. The form factor of a half wave rectifier is, it is pi by 2. Okay, but given answer was pi divided by square root 2. So I am putting it in gray list. You can cross check from your side. From my side answer should be pi by 2, and in the answer key it was given as pi divided by square root 2. Question 86. Which of the following gates has the exact inverse output of the OR gate for all possible input combinations? So it is answer is NOR gate. OR plus NOT equal to NOR gate. Option 3 is correct. Question 87. The decimal equivalent of hexadecimal E5 is, in the case of hexadecimal, just write from 0 to 15 and up to 9 it is equal to same numbers, and for A, B, C, D, E, F it is 10 to 15 numbers. तो E5 means E equal to 14 here. Okay, since it is in hexadecimal मतलब base is 16, तो just find the values. तो 5 into 16 raised to power 0 and E into 16 raised to power 1 equal to value of E equal to 14. Just put the value 14 into 16 plus 5 into 1 equal to 229. Option 2 is correct. Question 88. In case of wave function psi equal to e raised to power I kr divided by r, the probability current density is. Probability current density formula is written here. Just calculate, and option 1 is correct. H cut k divided by mr square. Question 89. A particle is described by a wave function psi x equal to e raised to power minus mod x in one dimension. The probability that it will be found in region mod x less or equal to a where a is greater than 0 is. The probability of the particle being between x1 and x2 is given by p equal to integration from x1 to x2 psi star psi dx, and for mod x put the value x when it is x is greater or equal to 0 and minus x in case x is less than 0. Taking these conditions, just solve it. Option 4 is correct. 1 minus e raised to power minus 2a. Question 90. 2's complement decimal of binary number 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 is. 1's complement representation of a binary number is obtained by toggling all the bits, replacing 1 with 0 and 0 to 1. तो जो भी रहेगा इसको रिवर्स कर देना है, then it will be 1's complement. And for 2's complement just add 1. After adding 1 we can get 2's complement. So 2's complement is here. In decimal case it is asking to just write in the case of decimal minus a and minus 1 2 raised to power n minus 1. Just reduce minus this term and remaining others it will be going to be same. तो 2's complement decimal of this number, जस्ट फर्स्ट टर्म जो रहेगा, ये जो पहला वाला टर्म है इसको नेगेटिव कर देना है और बाकी सभी को पॉजिटिव रख के जोड़ देना है. 1 इंटू 2 रेज़ टू पावर 0 प्लस 2 रेज़ टू पावर 1 2 3 4 5 6, बाकी सब में बीच में 0 है, दैट्स वाई 0 इज हियर. 0 0 0 0 एंड लास्ट टर्म 1 इज देयर, देन इट इज 1 हियर. एंड फर्स्ट टर्म को नेगेटिव कर देना है एंड बाकी सब पॉजिटिव रहेगा. रिमेनिंग टर्म्स विल बी पॉजिटिव एंड सम ऑफ दिस टर्म. तो आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी minus 63. ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन 91. Two particles are moving towards each other with equal velocity c by 2. Their velocity of approach will be. The relative velocity is obtained by the transformation law. V are equal to v1 plus v2 divided by 1 plus v1 v2 divided by c square. After putting c by 2 here, answer is going to be 4c by 5. Option 3rd should be correct, but in the answer key it given 1. Okay, you can cross check from your side, but answer should be 4c by 5. Option 3 should be correct. Question 92. If the momentum of an electron moving with a velocity 0.9c is increased by 1%, then the increase in its energy is. So energy, kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 mv square equal to p square by 2m. The relative increase in kinetic energy is going to be 2 times delta p by p equal to 2%. But why answer is 0.81 I couldn't understand here. Okay, you can cross check from your side. और बहुत सारे आंसर गलत दिए हैं, तो आई कांट गारंटी कि उन्होंने सही दिया है. तो आंसर शुड बी 2% here. Question 93. The phase shift between input and output voltage of common emitter amplifier equal to always 180 degree. Option 3rd is going to be correct. Question 94. The purpose of capacitors in a transistor amplifier is to. Option 4 is correct. Couple or bypass AC component. Question 95. If the binding energy per nucleon in 3,7 lithium and 2,4 helium nuclei are 5.60 mega electron volt and 7.06 mega electron volt respectively, then in the reaction P plus 3,7 lithium to 2,4 helium plus 2,4 helium, energy of proton must be. To find the energy of proton, just calculate it. 2 times binding energy of helium this minus binding energy of lithium this total minus this one, and it is going to be 17.28 mega electron volt. Option 2 is correct. Question 96. According to Einstein's photoelectric equation, the plot of the kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons from a metal versus the frequency of the incident radiation gives a straight line whose slope is the same for all metals and independent of the intensity of the radiation. It is not going to depend on the intensity. Okay. The equation of line is y equal to mx plus c, comparing above two equations, this equation and this equation. M is going to be h. Okay. H is independent of anything, that's why it is going to be a constant. Question 97. For a transistor amplifier in common emitter configuration having load impedance of 1 kilo ohm, HFE equal to 50 and HOE equal to 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 s, the current gain is equal to this minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. All the values are given here, just put all the values and calculate. Minus 48.76 is correct option, so option 4 is correct here, minus 48.78. Question 98. Curie temperature is the temperature above which a ferromagnetic materials become paramagnetic. Below that it is ferromagnetic and after that it is paramagnetic. Question 99. If psi equal to square root 2 by L cos pi x by L e raised to power minus I epsilon t divided by h cut, then expectation value of x in the limit minus L by 2 less than x less than L by 2 is. So just calculate it, and it is going to be an odd function, that's why value is 0. The option 2 is correct here. Question 100. Which of the following phenomena can be explained by quantum mechanical tunneling through the barrier? It is going to be alpha decay. Energy of alpha is approximately this. It is approximately inside, it is approximately 8, 9, 10 whatever, and barrier height is approximately 27 mega electron volt. So through tunneling it is decaying. So alpha decay is the correct option here. The physics part is ended here and part 1 is uploaded on the channel. You can also watch that particular part if you want. And कोई भी comment हो, suggestion हो, just write in the comment box. Any suggestions is most welcome. Okay guys, bye. अगर आप जनरल टेस्ट देखना चाहते हो तो वीडियो के साथ बने रहें, जनरल टेस्ट भी रिपीट होगा. जनरल टेस्ट पार्ट अलग से भी अपलोड किया गया है. इफ यू वांट टू सी जनरल पार्ट्स which is question 1 to 25, then you can remain with the video, otherwise you can skip from here. Okay, bye bye guys.